What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm currently holding a lot of Jasmy Coin. And the reason why I'm holding Jasmy Coin and the reason why I believe in Jasmy Coin is because of the things that they do offer, the community that's behind it, the popularity that I see within it, the volume to market cap ratio, which does show the level of popularity that it does have. It just shows so many positive things that I get so excited about holding this position because I feel like it has so much upside. Now, while it still is at a lowish market cap, but for some people it may seem like a highish market cap, I feel like it has so much more potential, so much more upside in where this can go. And that's just purely based on the popularity. And if we factor in use as well, if we factor in the sector, the data sector, the Internet of Things sector, I feel as though you're factoring in more positive things within it. Now, some people may throw in some negative things by saying, that the team isn't really developing, doesn't really give out plenty of updates. And even though they don't really give out plenty of updates and you're still seeing the volume that you see, is crazy, right? So it definitely is a great play, just investment wise. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for Margex or my Patreon link, both of those links are down below. You can't trade Jasmy Coin on Margex, but you can trade up to 100x leverage on things like Bitcoin and BNB and Ethereum, 50x leverage on XRP, and 25x leverage for meme coins and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into what's happening within Jasmy Coin because we did see some activity yesterday that was brought to me from a Patreon member as well as some members within the community. Um, Jasmy Coin is currently up about 3.6%. Now, it did, as you can see here, it did have a spike from a level of about 0.005 or 50% of a penny, all the way up to, from what we see here, it shows about 56% of a penny, 55, 56% of a penny. But if you look at the this chart and the candlesticks, for some reason I got a blank. But if you look at the candlesticks, you're seeing it at about 60% of a penny, which is amazing. But it did end up retracing and coming back down to where it is right now at about 52% of a penny. Still higher than where it was, still up about 3.6%. So that is a good thing. If we look at the market cap, it's currently at a $255 million market cap. And if you look at the volume, right, the volume is at $71.9 million, up 176%. Typically, we see this in the range to where it is at a 10 all the way up to a 30% volume to market cap ratio. If you look at this volume to market cap ratio here, it's at 27.8%, almost 30% volume to market cap ratio. This consistently shows that level of popularity, and that's the reason why I truly do love it. As I see that popularity, it shows me that when we see a true bull run, that Jasmy Coin will be one of those that does run. When we see Ethereum run, Jasmy Coin will be one of those that does run. If you look at the overall circulating supply, you're seeing 49.2 or 49.3 billion coins that's out there out of the 50 billion coins. So looking at 98.6% of the total supply, meaning it is fully diluted at this moment. Now they are going to have this lockup in Q1, which is technically Q4 for them. But in Q1, they're looking to have this lockup, which I honestly don't know the date of where this is and where and when this is going to start. But we know that the lockup is going to be significant to where you could see anywhere from 1 billion that's locked up all the way up to 30 billion. You just really don't know exactly how much is going to be locked up in that scenario. And a lockup does create strength. It's just like you staking a position for a certain period of time. It creates strength and creates stability within that project. Right now, everything is free, right? Everything is open to where people aren't really holding it for a long time based on like mandatory hold for a long time, right? They're holding it because they believe in that position and they have the ability to, or freedom to sell it whenever we need to. If you look at my assets within Coinbase, you're going to see that I'm currently holding about 5 $5,200 worth of Jasmy coin. I'm holding 1 million Jasmy coin with the push for that to eventually get to a level of $1. Now, is it 100% that it will get to a value of $1? I believe that we will see that push up to those levels, and that this will be a very strong play within the bull market, and it will be one that a lot of people end up talking about and say, I wish I invested into this at this low level, because now it's sitting at a value of 20 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, and it has that ability to get to some of these higher levels, which will push it up, and you'll see it up to a $49 billion market cap, which is not absurd, and it would be a level of $1. And then people would be like, I wish I invested into a million. I had the opportunity. And guess what? We invested into a million at a value of 52% of a penny, meaning that you only need to invest $5,000 to get potentially $1 million. So to become a Jasmy millionaire during that time. Now, will I still hold 1 million Jasmy coin at a value of $1? Absolutely not. And the reason why I won't is because most people get caught in this trend to gain a certain amount from a play, right? They'll look to become a Jasmy millionaire and only become a Jasmy millionaire, right? So they will wait and wait and wait and wait and wait until this does get to $1. And honestly, you don't need to wait that long. Do you physically need to see that $1 million? No. Can you deal with $500,000? Probably. So as you go through time, take some of those investments. I encourage you to, take profit hands. They say diamond hand it till the end. That's not the way that I roll. The way that I roll is that you need to make sure you accept your gains as you do have them. Does that mean that you accept everything that you do have? So like if this doubles in price, do I just cut my gains where they are and just go with it? No, you go to where you believe that it's going to go, take some profits out of where you want to take it from, and then you let it run. You have a forever part of that token or coin that you are holding, and it gains you whatever you need to gain. You need to have an exit strategy, which is something that I build within my spreadsheets. I have exit strategies over on Patreon. If you guys want to check that out, the link to my Patreon is in the description. It should be in the description, but if it's not, let me know and I will put it down there. But Jasmy coin definitely has a lot of upside, and I believe that we'll see this at way higher levels with way more popularity. Like again, the popularity is insane already. You go on Twitter, you can get 100, 200 likes on a post as you do post about Jasmy coin. If you go and look at the different markets, you have 10 to 30% volume to market cap ratio that people are trading on. The popularity on Binance, on Coinbase, on all these different platforms is insane. It has the S tier exchanges available so that people can trade them. Honestly, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. I believe Jasmy coin will be worth a lot. But again, this is me just hyping it up. You guys research it for yourself and go on a use-based perspective as well as an investor perspective. So guys, hit that like button. Let me know what you think about Jasmy coin, maybe after you research it or after you already researched it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Thank you for joining me on the Matthew Perry 2 channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.